Is there any way to fix a cracked windshield without replacing it? Fix a cracked windshield without replacing it by using professional resin injection. If the crack is small and not in the driver's line of sight, Norwalk Mobile Auto Glass can repair it using advanced resin that prevents spreading. This service restores strength and clarity without the high cost of a full replacement. Norwalk Mobile Auto Glass provides mobile repair services that save time and money. Their technicians inspect each crack and determine if a safe repair is possible. If so, they inject resin that seals the damage and helps maintain the windshield's structural integrity and legal safety compliance. Mobile service from Norwalk Mobile Auto Glass adds speed and convenience. Instead of waiting or driving with a cracked windshield, customers get same-day repairs at home or work. This fast response reduces risk, avoids fines, and restores visibility while keeping costs low. Call Norwalk Mobile Auto Glass now at 5622421840 or visit www.norwalkmobileautoglass.com.